Hey guys, Shan Whitaker, Master Electrician. I want to take a minute and talk to you about B-Tap tap connectors. These connectors are a little different than most because when you tighten them all the way up, the tip will break off. You can see this one's been torqued to the proper setting, so the tip broke off. When installing these connectors, you want to be sure to install them on the straight part of the wire, not the curved or rounded part. To install it, I wrap it around the service conductor, and then if I want to go in this end, I remove that end cap, and then I take my tap wire and I use my fingertips to measure it because I want to make sure it gets pushed all the way down into the connector. Once it's in the connector, I'm going to take my drill and I'm going to tighten it until the tip breaks off. Once the tip breaks off, you know it's torqued to the proper setting and you're good to go. If you ever need to remove that, you want to take a 5/8 inch socket and just put it in reverse. Once the tap has been removed, install some electrical tape to protect the feeder and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.